When it comes to CAT6 cable installations, speed and reliability matter. Klein's exclusive pass-through connectors deliver both, making your work faster and more dependable. These connectors allow the cable to pass through, giving you a clear view to confirm each wire is perfectly aligned before crimping. That means fewer mistakes and a secure connection every time. If you've ever struggled with connectors that are hard to install or unreliable, Klein's pass-through connectors offer a refreshing change. Designed specifically for CAT6 cables, they meet or exceed all power over Ethernet, PoE, and PoE+ requirements, ensuring your network runs smoothly without interruptions. This is crucial for maintaining consistent data speeds and powering devices efficiently. One standout feature is how these connectors require a pass-through type crimping tool to work correctly. The recommended tool, Klein's VDV 226-110, pairs perfectly with these connectors to deliver clean, professional results. It's engineered to handle the connector's unique design, making the installation process more straightforward and less prone to errors. Many users praise Klein's pass-through connectors for their balance of quality and value. Unlike expensive alternatives like platinum tools, which can be bulky and costly, Klein offers a more compact, affordable option without sacrificing performance. This makes Klein a smart choice for both seasoned professionals and those managing tighter budgets. One IT professional shared how Klein connectors work well with outdoor-rated cables that have thicker jackets. Because the wire passes through the connector, it's easier to pull the cable fully into place, ensuring a solid and secure fit. This feature is especially helpful when working in challenging environments where cable integrity is critical. If you've ever been burned by cheap off-brand connectors that fail unexpectedly, Klein's pass-through connectors provide peace of mind. They're built to last and designed to reduce common installation headaches. By giving you a clear visual of wire placement, they cut down on guesswork and rework, saving time and frustration on the job. Using the right tools makes all the difference. Klein's VDV 226-110 crimping tool is highly recommended because it complements the connectors perfectly. Unlike some crimp tools that wear out quickly or struggle with thicker cables, this tool offers consistent pressure and precise crimps, reducing failures and improving overall reliability. For professionals who pull a lot of cable, Klein's system offers real advantages. The connector's pass-through design not only speeds up the termination process but also helps maintain cable integrity by minimizing stress on the wires. This means fewer callbacks and a stronger network setup that lasts. Beyond performance, Klein's connectors stand out because they're easy to use. Even if you're not a seasoned installer, the visual confirmation of wire order makes it simpler to get the job done right the first time. That's a benefit that pays off in faster installs and fewer mistakes. Worth a look if you're upgrading your toolkit or starting a new project. Klein's pass-through connectors combine quality, affordability, and ease of use. They're designed with real-world challenges in mind, helping you deliver professional results without overspending or struggling with complicated tools. The connectors also support all current PoE and PoE+ standards, which means you don't have to worry about compatibility with your latest network devices. Whether you're powering security cameras, VoIP phones, or access points, these connectors handle the job with consistent performance. If you're ready to improve your cable installations, switching to Klein pass-through connectors is a smart move. You get faster terminations, secure connections, and a reliable setup that meets industry standards. Plus, the recommended crimping tool ensures every connection is tight and professional. Choosing Klein means fewer headaches and more confidence in your work. The combination of a clear visual guide, durable materials, and compatibility with PoE standards means your network won't just work, it will thrive. That's what matters when every connection counts. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your cable terminations. Klein's Pass-Thru Connectors offer a straightforward solution that helps you work smarter, not harder. With positive reviews from IT pros and installers alike, it's a choice worth considering for your next project. In summary, Klein's Pass-Thru Connectors bring together speed, reliability, and value for CAT6 installations. They make it easier to verify wiring, support the latest power standards, and work seamlessly with the right crimping tool. If you want a dependable solution that won't break the bank, Klein is a top contender. Don't settle for connectors that cause frustration or failures. Klein's design focuses on what installers need: clear wire alignment, secure crimps, and compatibility with modern networking demands. These connectors help you deliver professional results that last. With Klein's Pass-Thru Connectors, you get more than just a product, you get a better installation experience. Faster setups, fewer errors, and reliable connections mean your network performs at its best. That's a benefit every installer can appreciate. If that's you, someone who values quality and efficiency in network installations, Klein's Pass-Thru Connectors are worth a look. They bring clarity and confidence to your work, helping you meet deadlines and exceed expectations with every cable run.